Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, 8 English version, how are you? I hope you are well. Already I had finished chapter 13 in 6 lecture, and today is lecture 7. Here some creative question, sample creative question. Okay, please see that. First one, food elements and how food elements are composed. Okay, food element A complex compound of amino acid. Okay, food elements B, a compound made up of fatty acid and glycerol. And food element C, a compound made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, please think about A, B and C. Okay, first one, what is called food? Okay, what is called food? Food, organic compounds which are used by organisms for their growth, repairing and decay and producing of energy. Okay, producing of energy is called food. First one, what is called food? Organic compounds which are used by organism for their growth, repairing and decay and production of energy is called food. Second one, why glucose is more important for human body? Why glucose is more important? Okay, glucose is a kind of simple carbohydrate. Glucose is a kind of simple carbohydrate. It is a monosaccharide which get easily absorbed into the body. This is called monosaccharide. For the balanced nutrition of the body, monosaccharide is very important because human body can only absorb it. Okay, human body can only absorb it. Important because human body can only absorb it. It provides quick energy for work. It provides quick energy for work. That's why glucose is more important for human body. Glucose is more important for human body. Number C, explain the symptoms of deficiency related disease of B. Deficiency related disease of B. Here B is a compound made up of fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, a compound made up of fatty acid and glycerol. So B compound of the stem is lipid. Okay, fatty acid and glycerol. B compound of the stem is lipid. It is a compound made up of fatty acid and glycerol. If food lacks in fatty substance, deficiency of fat soluble and vitamin occurs in the body. This will result in disease due to the deficiency of vitamin. For example, skin will get dry. Okay, your skin will dry and rough, and that will ruin the beauty of the body. Ruin the beauty of the body. The children will suffer from eczema. Eczema caused due to the deficiency of essential fatty acid. An elderly person loses key resistance. Okay, resistance against skin disease. Elderly person lose resistance against skin disease for the lacking of fat, vitamin C, fatty acid and glycerol. So lipid is very important for our body. Number D, between A and C, which element plays a vital role in the formation of the body? Analyze. A and C. Here A is C, a complex compound of amino acid. So this is protein, and C is a compound made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So this is carbohydrate. Okay. A compound of the stem is protein and C compound is carbohydrate. Between the two, compound A, that is protein, plays a vital role in the formation of body. Okay, protein is the composite element of our body. It is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, you know that. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. And how many percentage? 16%. Protein contains 60% of nitrogen. Okay, 16%. Protein contains 16% of nitrogen. Therefore, in nutrition science, protein is considered as a very important food nutrient. Protein is a complex compound of amino acid. By the process of digestion, it turns into amino acid suitable for the body to absorb. As of now, a total of 22 types of amino acid have been found in the nature. Okay, the way we arrange Bangla or English alphabet to get numerous words, the proteins are produced in the same way after arranging 22 amino acids in different ways, number and types. For this reason, some amino acids are very important for the growth, repair and balance of nitrogen of the body. These are called essential amino acids. These amino acids cannot be produced in the body. These are to be collected from food. In food, if there is deficiency of animal proteins, that is essential amino acids, symptoms of various disease arises. For example, nausea, increase of organic acid in urine, okay, imbalance of nitrogen, etc. All proteins are not equally absorbed in the body. The nutrition value of proteins depend on its digestibility. Okay, after having an intake of proteins, the proportionate percentage of protein which is absorbed from the intestine is called the easily digestible quotient of the protein. Okay, the proteins which are 100% absorbed in the body and hence the growth and repair has the easily digestible quotient of 1. You know, this is egg and mother's milk. In this case, the intake of protein and its absorption is equal. Simplify, it can be said that the amount of protein taken by the organism is fully used by body for its growth and repair. Okay, so the protein is more formation of the body, okay, which plays a vital role. So A. Then number 2 question. Roma is 10 years old. She takes 1400 kilocalorie protein daily, though she takes according to her needed carbohydrate and lipids, right? Never eats vegetables and fruits. Okay. The age of Roma, 10 years old, takes how many calorie? 1400 kilocalorie protein daily. Okay. Number 1 question. A. What is basal metabolism? What is basal metabolism? The energy needed to run the metabolic activities. Okay. The energy needed to run the metabolic activities is called basal metabolism. Okay. Then why sugar is known as pure food? Okay. Do you know what is pure food? A food is said to be pure if only one element is found in it. Okay, when only one element is found in it, that food is known as pure food. Sugar is known as pure food because there is no other elements except carbohydrate is present. Okay, so this is very except carbohydrate is present, so sugar is a known as pure food. Then determine the amount of protein in grams. Protein in grams. Roma eats daily. Okay, Roma eats daily. According to a stem, okay, Roma takes 1400 kilocalorie protein daily. Protein is the composite element of our body. It is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Protein contains 16% of nitrogen. By the process of digestion, it turns into amino acid suitable for the body of absorb. Okay, 1 gram of protein can produce, देखो 1 gram of protein can produce 1 gram of protein 1 gram of protein can produce 4 kilocalorie of heat. 4 kilocalorie of heat. Okay, 1 gram protein can produce 1 gram protein can produce 1 gram protein can produce 4 kilocalorie of heat. Okay, so the amount of protein in grams. So the amount of protein in grams Roma. So the amount of protein in grams Roma eat daily. Okay, 4 kilocalorie. Okay, 1 gram of protein. So here and 4. Okay, 4 kilocalorie divided by 4, and here 350 gram. Okay, so Roma eat daily 350 gram. Roma eat ডেলিটা পরে দিতে পারো. Roma eat 350 gram protein. Okay, this is the answer of 2C. Okay, determine the amount of protein in grams Roma eats daily. So Roma eats daily 350 gram protein. Okay, then number 4, the food habit of Roma can causes the various disease in her body. The food habit of Roma. What is the food habit? She takes according to her needed carbohydrate and lipids, right? Never eats vegetables and fruits. Okay, never eats vegetables and fruits. So this is the, according to the stem, Roma is a teenage girl. Okay, 10 years old. She likes to eat carbohydrate and lipid type food. But she never eats vegetables and fruits. Carbohydrate and lipid type foods contain high calorie. Okay, contain high calorie. Excess intake of these foods are not good for health. Moreover, these food cause obesity. Okay, besides, Roma does not eat colored vegetables and fruits. We know colored vegetables contain a lot of vitamin A, and sour foods contain sufficient amount of vitamin C. Okay, you know. Colored vegetable contain a lot of vitamin A, and sour foods, top fall, contain sufficient amount of vitamin C, which are very much need for healthy life. Lack of vitamin A may cause night blindness as well as xerophthalmia. Okay, on the other hand, lack of vitamin C may cause several acute disease including scurvy. Okay, you know. So it can be said that the food habit of Roma can causes the various disease in her body. Okay, so this is number 2, and here 3 nong question. A few days Rana's gum has swelled. Few days Rana's gum Mari has swelled, as well as the enamel of his teeth has weakened. Okay, enamel, the bone of Rana's younger brother's leg has carved. On the other hand, the ability of absorbing calcium of Rana's grandfather is disturbed and solidity of bone has decreases. Okay, here three symptoms. Gums has swelled as well as enamel of his teeth has weakened, and Rana's younger brother leg has carved. Another point is ability of absorbing calcium of Rana's grandfather is disturbed and solidity of bone has decreases. হ্যাঁ, অস্থির পুরুত্ব কমে যাচ্ছে. What is the first question? What is balanced diet? Okay, what is balanced diet? Balanced diet means the correct amount of food or the correct proportion of each, okay, 6 type of food that meet the demand of the body of a particular person is called balanced food. Okay, this is called balanced food. The correct amount of food or the correct proportion of each type of food that meet the demand of the body of a particular person is called balanced diet or balanced food. Okay, why rice is called carbohydrate? Okay, rice is called carbohydrate. Rice is called carbohydrate because it is energy producing food. Okay, it is easily digested. All carbohydrates are composed of 3 fundamental elements, namely carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In our body, rice, like other carbohydrates, provides energy for work. Okay, so this is for that's why rice is called carbohydrate. Number C, with which disease is Rana affected? Which disease? Okay, according to the stem, Rana is affected by scurvy disease. Okay, you will know what is scurvy disease. According to stem, Rana is affected by scurvy disease. This disease is occurred due to the deficiency of vitamin. Which vitamin? Vitamin C. Okay, this disease is occurred due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Symptoms of scurvy disease are following. The gum swells up and becomes soft. Okay, gums swell up and become soft. The root of the teeth become loose and finally bleeds. The enamel, okay, the enamel weakens and as a result teeth fall. Okay, children and elderly person suffer most from this disease. The gland swells up and mouthcle is felt. Bleeding does not stop easily. Healing of wounds delayed. ক্ষতস্থান শুকাতে দেরি হবে. Others disease like flu, cough easily catch the body. Okay, others disease like flu and cough easily attack the body. So these are the some symptoms of scurvy disease. Last one question. Are the disease of Rana's younger brother and his grandmother caused by the deficiency of same food elements? Okay, I repeat. Are the disease of Rana's younger brother, okay, Rana's younger brother and his grandmother caused by the disease of same food element? Analyze. Yes, okay, the disease of Rana's younger brother and his grandmother are caused by the deficiency of same food element. Okay, same food element. The disease of Rana's younger brother is, what is the disease? What is the name of the disease? Can you think? The name of the disease of Rana's younger brother, okay, is called rickets, and the disease of his grandmother is osteomalacia. Okay, the rickets of elderly person is known as osteomalacia. Okay, both the disease are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin and calcium. Due to the absence of vitamin D and calcium, the bones of the children become soft and their growth gets hampered. This is called rickets. The symptoms of rickets are some, you will write some symptoms. The leg bones become curved like a bow and the other bone also gave curves due to the presence of pressure of the body. The bone joint of hands and legs swell up. The ribs also turn bend. The ricket in elderly person, okay, is known as osteomalacia. The symptoms of this disease are due to the deficiency of vitamin D, the absorption of calcium is hampered, the reserve of calcium and phosphorus reduced, there is a change in the function of thyroid gland, okay, thyroid gland. Since the bones weaken, their hardness also lessens, okay, and as a result there is a possibility of the bones being broken at a light stroke, okay. So these three question I select from the board question, and these three question is very very important for you. Please practice this question. Next class will be here some MCQ from this chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Kamrun Naharina.